click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So are you also getting this problem? Wi-Fi is connected but there is no internet is showing in browser. So when I try to access any website, it display no internet. So as you can see here, my Wi-Fi is connected and it's showing internet access. You can see here connected and internet access, but when I try to access any website like youtube.com or any other website or Facebook website, this shows no internet. And so in this video I'm here to help you how you can fix this problem. So let's begin the tutorial. So to solve this problem, you just need to open internet browser, Internet Explorer, go to the start menu and type Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer by clicking on this Internet Explorer. Now click on setting here. Now click on internet options. Now go to connections. Now click on LAN settings and you can see here proxy server is enabled. So I'm not using any proxy server here. So because of this proxy server, this internet is not connected. So I have to disable this proxy server and click OK. By removing the tick mark, this will disable the proxy server. Now click OK and click OK again and close Internet Explorer. Now we'll try again. Now you can see here, now I can access Facebook, and let's try different website also. So you can see here YouTube is also working now. So in this way you can easily fix no internet connection when your Wi-Fi is connected. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.